Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study to get good marks. First, let's talk about planning. Begin by creating a realistic study schedule for all your subjects, allocating specific times for each. Break down larger assignments or topics into smaller, more manageable chunks. This makes the work feel less overwhelming. Finally, set clear, achievable goals for every single study session to keep you focused and motivated. Next, let's boost your learning with active strategies. Don't just passively read. Actively engage with the material using techniques like active recall and practice questions. After reading a section, summarize the key concepts in your own words to ensure true comprehension. A powerful method is to teach the material to someone else, as this truly solidifies your understanding. Now, let's optimize your study environment. Find a quiet, distraction-free space where you can focus without interruptions. Good lighting and a comfortable chair are essential for long study sessions, preventing discomfort and fatigue. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to maintain concentration and keep your energy levels high. Finally, consistent review and self-care are crucial. Regularly review past material to reinforce your memory and ensure long-term retention. Prioritize adequate sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours, and maintain a balanced diet. These are vital for optimal brain function. Also, for those looking to improve their financial mindset, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.